Hello, students. How are you all? Hope you are safe at home. Student, today we will going to learn GK unit number 32 and part 2 numbers and logic part 2. So, childrens, in previous lecture, you learn about which number continue the series. Now, we learn about which letter comes next and take the correct one. So, childrens, here question number 2. Here we can see which letter comes next. Take the correct one. It is our question. So here we can see alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So, this is all alphabet, and now we learn that which letter comes next to continue the series. So, children, here we can see first our question. Here we can see in a triangle A and C. So now we learn that how it we continue the series, or which letter comes on next. So A and C. So here we can see a alphabet A to Z. So now in this letter we show A. First we see A and then D. So we cut B. So here we cut B. Then we write C. A. Then we cut B. Then we write C. So here we cut a one alphabet. So now next we have C. So we have C. Now which letter comes next? So now we cut a D. Now we cut D. Because here we can see A, then B cut, then C. So now we cut D. So our answer is E. So we cut one alphabet, and that's why our answer is E. So here we write E. Okay, very good, children. So now next, which is a next letter comes. So now we write E. Then we cut F. We cut F. So here we cut F, and that's why the answer is G. How many letters we cut? We cut one letter. Here we cut one letter, and that's why our answer is G. So here we write G. So our continue the series or a letter next to continue the series is A, then B cut, then C, then D cut and E, then F cut and G. So now which letter comes next? Okay, our answer is G. So that's why we got H. We cut H. So how many letter we cut? So we cut one letter and that's why our answer is I. So here we write I. So in this question we see in alphabet which numbers come next or which letter comes next to continue the series. Here we see one letter we cut and get the answer. So this is the continue the series, alphabetical continue the series. So children, you all are understand about this question. So now we are going to learn next question, and our next question is, here we have M and L. So now we see in a continuous series which letter comes next. Here we see M. So where is M? Here we have a alphabet A to Z. So where is M? So here is a M. So M, then here L. M, then L. So M and L. So now next M, L, K and J. M, L, K and J. So which is come next? Here K. Because of here we see M, then L, then K. Then which is the next number? So here we see J. So J is the next number. So here we write J. So J is the next number. Here we back the letter to continue the series. M, then L, then K, then J. And which letter come next to continue the series? So it's I. Which letter? It's I. So here we write I. Very good. So here we write I. So in this continue the series, we back the letters M, L, then K, then J, I, then which is number come? It's H. So here we see H. So here comes H. So here we write H. So this is the continue the series. Then which is the number? It's J. So here we write G. G is the next number to continue the series. So here we write G. So children, in this question we continue the series. We learn that M, then L, then K, J, I, H and J. So this is the backward letter that comes before another letter to continue the series. Okay, now next question C. Here we have a question A and D. A and D. So in this question, firstly we have a alphabet A to Z. So we have alphabet A to Z. So here we have A, and D. So firstly we see here A and D. So which number we cut in this letter or continue the letters? So here we come we cut we have A and D. So we cut B and C. So we have cut B and C. So which letter we cut? So we cut two letters in this continue the series. We cut two letters. Okay, now which is the next letter comes? So we have cut another two letters. So we have cut another two letter E and F. So our answer is G. So our answer is G because we cut two letters. How many letters we cut? So we cut two letters or we leave two letters or we left two letters to continue the series. So our answer is G. A, D and G. In this continue the alphabet or continue the letter, we cut two letters to continue the series. Okay, now next, which is the letter comes next? So we cut another two, H and I. So we have J. J is the answer. So how many letters we cut? We cut two letters and write K. So H, I and I we cut and write J. So J is our answer. So children, you all are understand that in this question we left two alphabet or two letter to continue the series. Then next, which is the next letter comes? So we answer we have J, then we cut K and L. So M is the next letter to continue the series. So here we write M and two letters we left or a two letter gap. So children, in this question you all are understand that we left two letters to continue the series. Okay, now which is the last letter comes next? So now we another left N or O. So our answer is P. So here we write P. So two gap and we write P. So in this A, then D, G, J, M and P. In this question we have to left two letters to get the answer. So children, you all are understand about this question. So now we are going to learn a next question. And our question is P and Q. So now we see the continue the series. Here we have alphabet A to Z. So where is a P? So here is a P. So it's a P. Here P and Q. In this we see first P and then after 2. Q after Q. P and then after Q. So in this letter or in this series, continue the series, we see that a next letter comes to continue the series. So which is the next letter comes to continue the series? P and Q. Then our answer is next Q. Then our answer is R because it's next to Q. So we write R. We write here R. So children, you all are understand? Here we see P, then Q, then R. So which is the next answer? So here we have S. So S is the next answer to continue the series. So here we see S. S is the next answer to continue the series. So here we write S. Okay, so children, you all are understand about this question. In this question, we see that to continue the series, we have a next letter and we write a next lecture. So it's a P, Q, R, S, and here is the T. So now next letter or next answer is a T because it's next to S. So in this question, to continue the series, our letter is comes beside or a next letter. So our answer is T. So it's a P, Q, R, S and T. So children's, which letter comes next? Our question is appropriate because we see that in this question, continue the series, we have P and Q, then we write R, S and T to continue the series. Okay, now next, here question number E. So we have question F and I. So firstly we write A to Z alphabet. A to Z alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, we have alphabet A to Z. So, now our question F and I. So, where is F? So, here we see F and I. So, here we see I. So, in this question, we left two alphabet or a two letter and two letter gap. So, which is the next answer? In this alphabet, we have two letter gap. So, which is the next answer? We write F and I. Then we left two, J and K. So, our answer is L. So, our answer is L. Because in two letter we left two letter and get the answer. So here we write L. So in this question we left two letter to get answer. So now which is the next answer? So we left M and N. So is two letter we left, then we get O. O is our answer. So we write here O because O is the right answer. So now you all understand which is the next letter comes. So it's a 2 gap. So we left P and Q. So our answer is R. So our answer is R and we write here R. So children, you all are understand that here we left two letters to get the answer. So F, I, L, Q, R. Then which is the next answer? So we left S and T. So we left two S and T and get U. So U is the answer. So here we write U. So children, you all are understand how we get the answer or how we continue the series and which is the letter comes next to continue the series. Okay, now next question number F. So here we have W and V. W and V. Here we have question W and V. So first of all we take A to Z alphabet. Then where is W? So here is the W and V. So W and V. So W then V. So here we see a backward to we go backward to continue the series. Then which is the next answer? W, then V, then U. U is the next answer because we come here W, V and U. So we go to backward to continue the series. So here we write U because it's a continue the series. So children, you all are understand how we continue the series. Firstly, we have W and V. So we understand that W and V, then we have to see U. U is the answer because here we go to backward to continue the series. Okay, now which is the next answer or which letter comes next? So it's a T. It's a T because here we see U before T. So here our answer is T. So here we write T. Okay, now which is the next question, next answer? So here we see T then S. So T before S. So here we see S. So we have S. So we write S here. So our answer is S. So it's a W, V, U, T, S and which is the next letter? So S before here we see R. So R is the next answer. So here we see R. So that's why we circle around R. Then we write here R. So R is the next answer. Then last, which is the next answer comes? So here we see R before Q. So Q is the next answer. So that's why we circle around Q and we write Q here. So children, you all are understand that which is the next letter comes to continue the series. Or here we see, we go to backward to get the answer. In previous question, we go to next, and in this question, we go to backward to get the answer. So it's a W, V, U, T, S, R and Q. So So children, you all are understand about this question. So now we are going to learn a next question, and here we see some alphabets are, some boxes are not filled. So here we have to fill all the box. So here we see A, B, C, D, E, F, and which is the letter comes next? Yes, it's a G. So here we write G. Very good. Okay, now H. Then which is the letter here? No fill. So which is the letter comes next? Yes, it's a I. Very good. Then J. And which is the letters comes next? Yes, it's a K. Very good. So here we write K. Then L. Then which is the letter we put here? Yes, it's a M. So M. Then N. And yes, it's a O. And P. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and P. So children, you all are understand? Very good. So we are going to learn next slide. So here write a missing letter. So in this question, so many letters are missing. So we write all the letters. A, B, then which is letter comes next? Yes, it's C. So we write C. Then D, E, F, and G. So here we write F and G. Very good. Okay, now H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, then P. Yes, we write P. Then Q. Yes, R. Then yes, S. Then T. Then U. Then which is the letter comes U after? Yes, it's a V. Then W. Then yes, X. Yes, Y. And last Z. Very good. So it is our A to Z alphabet. So children, you all are understand about this slide. So now we are going to learn a next slide. So children, here we see caterpillar. So caterpillar, here we see Q, then R, then S, then which letter comes after S? Yes, it's a T. So here we write T. Okay children, so you all enjoy. Hope you all learn and enjoy this lecture. So students, I will see you next time. And also students, don't forget to wash your hand regularly, eat healthy food, stay home and stay safe. Thank you, students.